Absolutely stunning Jaguar E-Type in with automotive control today for a Thatcham Category 2 Immobiliser. We're using the Sterling XL, which is a little transponder type Thatcham Cat 2 Immobiliser. So at the moment the vehicle is immobilised. LED flashes away on the dashboard to let you know it's immobilised. So if we jump in, pop the ignition on, try and start the vehicle. So ignition on, try and start the vehicle, we get nothing at all. The LED is flashing very fast now because it's looking for the transponder chip. So if we introduce the transponder chip to the vehicle, we've installed the receptacle just there. The immobiliser is now turned off, LED stops flashing. We can now start the car. Car runs, no flash LED, no problems. Ignition off. The immobiliser will stay disarmed for about 30 seconds and then it will automatically arm itself, so the vehicle is protected automatically. So there's no need to rearm the system. All you're ever doing is using the transponder chip here to disarm when you need to. Yeah, so there's not really a vehicle we can't install this system to. Modern cars, classic cars, performance, pretty much anything. Yeah, so the time's passed now, so the LED flashing again, so ignition back on, push start, completely immobilised.